Throughout this pandemic, I've been growing out my hair. Throughout this pandemic, I've been watching several tech YouTubers such as Linus Tech Tips, Austin Evans, and Christopher Yee. I've watched so many of their PC builds that I've decided to build my own. Let's go! It's hard to get a GPU right now. Like I got the Zotac Gaming Geforce GTX 1650 and we're gonna get So it's posted, now we're gonna check if everything's good. So I built this PC over a week ago and it's working fine, it's working great. I'll be using this PC for video editing and gaming and maybe some other projects that I will probably do in the future. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and yeah.